every Intel Core suffix explained. Desktop and laptop suffix are completely different. So here's how you can name your laptop or desktop CPU. So this is the corporation brand, this is the product brand, the core, and this is the performance tier. It can be 3, 5, 7, or 9. And this is the generation. It can be from second generation up to 14 or 15 generation. And the U is the suffix. It can be U, HX, or F, or H, or any other type of suffix. So this is the desktop Intel Core suffix. First of all, we have the K series, which is overclockable. You can overclock your CPU according to your needs, but yeah, it can cause you know the crashes, random crashes on your desktop. It is unlocked CPU and it needs Z series motherboard, which is this, as you can see this, and it is very higher in performance, and it is very powerful, and it can be very power hungry, and so it can increase its power usage. It is for enthusiasts, productivity, video editing, and for gamers also. This is the Intel Core F series, where you have to get a discrete graphic card, which is this, and these are usually cheaper than the previous suffix, and these are meant for gamers if they want a graphic card, and you can also use for productivity also. This is the S series Intel Core, and usually they are slightly in higher clock speed, and they are usually rare, so you cannot find it in a market. Like most commonly, the F series and K series are the most common, but these are the rarest one. This is the T series power efficient desktops. With they have a lower clock speed, and they are very lower power. They have a very low power usage, and these are meant for the office PC and for an organization or school. This is also the top tier Intel Core series, which is X or XE. They have very high core count, they are very expensive, they are also often used for enthusiast or workstation CPUs. They will be coming in a pack like with X on their label. Now moving on to the laptop Intel Core suffix. First of all, we have HX, the top end tier, usually a desktop class laptop CPU, which is essentially a desktop CPU in a laptop. It is more extremely powerful, and it can cause more heat. It is for hardcore gamers or workstation laptops. Intel H series laptops are basically the same as HX, but these are very different from this one. They also have high performance laptop. They are also very high performance, and they have very high clock speed, and they have more cores. So these are also for gamers, productivity, and developers. P is meant for balanced power, which is a newer suffix in this Intel Core lineup. It lies between U and H processors, and it has very better performance with decent battery life. So you are not expecting a very good battery life, but a very decent battery life, but with a balanced performance. So another series is U series laptop, which is meant for ultra low power laptops. So they provide best battery life, but they compromise in performance. So these are meant for very thin and light laptops. As you can see that this is my Dell Latitude 7480, and this is also the U series laptop, and this is very light, and it is very thin, and it is meant for the best battery life and for small productivity also. Then we have Y series laptop, which are very extremely low powerful efficient laptop, which you cannot expect that much higher performance from these categories, and they are basically for fanless laptop, where they do not have fans, where they have very thin size body here. So you are expecting better battery life but more compromised performance.